When you think of trading, things like stress, risk, or Wolf of Wall Street degeneracy might come to mind.
Me, the little man. And let me tell you something.
But there's this magical type of trading that removes all the headache, lets you sleep comfortably, and gives you better results than the Patagonia vested bankers, even if you don't have time to trade. It's called swing trading, and it lets you punch in a few numbers and get triple-digit percentage returns within a few days or weeks. And I'm going to show you how you can do it successfully. To be successful with swing trading, you need to be able to somewhat accurately predict how the price will move in the future and then buy and sell accordingly. But how do you know when to buy and sell, or even what stock to pick? There are thousands. Well, this is exactly what StockMinds can help you with. I want to pause here real quick. This isn't me marketing some random app or service. StockMinds is an app that I built to make trading simple so that anybody can be successful. And I built it so that you don't have to go through all the pain that most traders go through, and so trading can be easy. Now back to me talking about whatever I'm saying. StockMinds AI looks for stocks that are likely to move up considerably within the next 2 weeks. It'll give you a predicted price movement and suggest prices to enter and exit at. So instead of choosing from thousands of stocks, you're choosing from a few. With the last 500 swing trades that StockMinds has given, 69% win rate, 57% average win, and a loss of about -7%. So the results are incredible. I'm up 164%. Ridiculous. Now let me give you a walkthrough of the swing trades page on the StockMinds app. When you log into StockMinds, click over to the Swing Trades page. This page can be broken into 3 different areas: the prediction data, today's swing trades, and then past swing trades that have come up. The prediction data provides a simplified move prediction, candlestick prediction, and then a suggested entry, stop loss, and profit price, as well as the status of the trade. For each swing trade, the price is likely to move up considerably within the next 2 weeks. So to trade it effectively, you need to know how much it's going to move up by, and then the lowest point before then. On the simplified prediction chart, you'll see the blue line showing this information, with the shaded area being the error bound or range that it's likely to fall into. The green line is the actual movement thus far, as in the high since the alert and the lowest price before then. In the today's swing trade section, you'll find any of the stocks that StockMinds has recognized as swing trade opportunities that have come up that day. These will come up after 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time, if there are any. Down is the predicted lowest point before continuing upwards, and reversal is the predicted movement upwards. The section showing the past swing trades will have the date the swing trade was given, the ticker, the current move from the alert price as of the last check time, and then the highest and low before columns. In these columns, the bottom numbers in blue are the predicted high move percent and the predicted low before that point. The green and red numbers above are what actually happened as of the last check. Clicking on any of the blue ticker symbol buttons will bring up the prediction data for that swing trade. Let's look at ANPA. So here you can see the entry suggested was 429, 408 was the stop, profit at 518, and the candle prediction shows that it could go up to 120. So here you can see ANPA on the 15th of July, where it closed at roughly $4.50. It came down to the entry as well as the stop, so it dipped down to within the range in the pre-market / after hours on the 15th. So you may have stopped out if you entered it in the extended hours, but then it ended up having another entry in the first 30 minutes on the 16th. And then the suggested profit at 518 ended up hitting the next day, so the 17th. And then if we zoom out a little bit here, we can see that it ended up moving well above, and then it just kept on going. So with an entry at $4.20, $4.30, it ended up going to $43. So although the swing trade was very successful, it was very conservative. And then if we go a little bit further, it almost hit $55. So well over 1,000%. But within the 2 weeks that it was given, it ended up finishing at 600 or so %. So now how do you make StockMinds swing trades? With swing trades, StockMines doesn't provide as much guidance for when to buy and when to sell for a profit or a loss, but here's a simple system that can help you to make these swing trades successfully. Look for the top 1 or 2 swing trades with the highest potential movement given that day, and then get the suggested entry, predicted high move, and then the predicted move down. These are the same as the stop loss and profit price. The way that you want to trade it is wait for the price to come down to the given range, and then if it comes back up to the entry, that's when you buy. If you aren't actively watching or checking each day, then set a limit buy order with a stop loss at the lower bound of the range. Now, this strategy does have a stop loss to protect you from losing more money than you might want to. So there is a chance that you may need to enter these trades multiple times. Now, if you don't want to be checking all the time, you can set price alerts to be notified when the trade stops out or if it's in range to be able to enter the trade. I'll show you that a little bit later. Now, you can take these trades exactly as they're given, or you can take profits along the way so that you're not just selling everything at 57% return. Or you could even leave in some of your position to allow for more profits if it continues further, which does happen quite a lot.
Now it's up 120%. It's only been a day or so. I heard some dings. Currently up 56%. I'm now up 82%. What do I say? Nuts. Now I'm up another 50%.
So now how do you set price alerts? To set a price alert on TradingView, click the little timer icon with the plus at the top. Make sure that the condition is price crossing, and then enter the value of the top of the range given by StockMines, and then click create. You can also set price alerts with most brokers, so if you don't want to use TradingView, you can do that as well. If the price alert is triggered, then you can enter your orders to enter the trade, and for the best results, you can set price conditions for your orders. Specifically, bracket orders are the best choice. I have an entire video on bracket orders and adding price conditions to orders that I've linked in the description of this video. How do you get StockMines swing trade alerts? How do you know if there's actually swing trades to make? Well, you can also get notifications for when StockMines has new swing trades. One way you can do this is by talking directly to the StockMines AI bot. When you're logged into StockMines, you just got to click the big blue button right at the top, and it will take you to Telegram where you can set this up. Then you just need to go to your account settings on StockMines and make sure that you have swing as one of your notification preferences. Then you'll be notified anytime there are new swing trades added to StockMines, and you can check the status of recent swing trades that StockMines has given. If you go to the StockMines website, scroll down to the bottom and click the Discord icon, you can join the StockMines Discord. You don't have to worry about any of the channels except for advanced updates. So if you right click on each of the other channels, then you can mute all of them except for advanced updates. Then if you have Discord on your browser or you have the Discord mobile app, you can get notified when StockMines has new swing trades added. I hope that this helps you to take some real easy swing trades and make some profits. Thanks for watching.
Not bad.